Welcome to Profit Potential. If you've been thinking about ways to earn extra income but don't want to work around the clock for it, then you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about passive income, specifically the best passive income ideas for beginners. These are simple, practical ways to start earning money with minimal effort once you've set things up. So let's dive in. Passive income is one of the most powerful ways to achieve financial freedom, and the best part is that it's not reserved for millionaires or financial experts. In fact, you can start right now with little to no experience. Let's go through some of the best beginner-friendly passive income ideas. What is passive income? Before we dive into the specific ideas, let's quickly define what passive income is. Unlike active income, where you exchange time for money, passive income is money you earn with little ongoing effort after an initial setup. It's income that comes in even when you're not actively working. While passive income doesn't mean you never have to work, the goal is to build systems that earn you money on autopilot once they're up and running. So, what are the best passive income ideas for beginners? 1. Dividend stocks. First up, let's talk about dividend stocks. Dividend stocks are shares in companies that pay you a portion of their profits, usually quarterly. As a shareholder, you earn money just by holding the stock. This can provide a reliable income stream over time, and the best part is you don't have to do much once you buy the stock. To get started, you can open a brokerage account with platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Vanguard. Then, research companies that have a history of paying consistent and reliable dividends, like those in sectors such as utilities, consumer goods, or healthcare. Even with a modest investment, if you choose the right stocks, your dividends can add up over time. As you reinvest those dividends, you can harness the power of compound growth, helping your money work harder for you. 2. Real estate investing without owning property. Real estate is often considered a great passive income opportunity, but I'm not talking about buying properties and becoming a landlord. If you're a beginner, there's a more accessible way to get involved. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. When you invest in a REIT, you're buying shares in the company, and you earn a portion of the rental income or profits from properties that the company owns. You can invest in REITs through stock brokerage accounts, just like you would with dividend stocks. Some popular REITs include Realty Income and Vanguard Real Estate ETF. With REITs, you don't have to deal with the headaches of property management, yet you still get exposure to the real estate market. 3. Create and sell digital products. Another great passive income idea is creating and selling digital products. This could be anything from an ebook or online course to printable planners or templates. Once you create the product, it can be sold repeatedly with minimal effort, especially if you set up automated systems. Platforms like Udemy, Etsy, and Gumroad allow you to create digital products and sell them with ease. For example, if you have a passion for photography, you could sell your images as stock photos. If you're good at teaching something, you could create an online course and sell it to a global audience. The key is creating something once, and then being able to sell it to many people over time without constant involvement. With the right marketing strategy, digital products can generate a steady stream of passive income. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. P2P. Another passive income idea to consider is peer-to-peer lending. With platforms like Lending Club or Prosper, you can lend money to individuals or small businesses, and in return, you earn interest on the loan. While there's some risk involved in P2P lending, it can provide great returns compared to traditional savings accounts or CDs. The platform does most of the work for you, handling the loan process, repayments, and interest collection. The best part? You can start with just a few $100s. Just make sure to do your research and understand the risks, but this can be a great way to earn passive income, especially if you diversify your loans across multiple borrowers. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another accessible passive income option. In simple terms, affiliate marketing is when you promote a product or service and you earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. You can start affiliate marketing by promoting products or services through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. Amazon Associates is a popular program, but there are thousands of affiliate programs you can join across various industries. Once you set up your content with affiliate links, you can earn money every time someone makes a purchase through those links. The best part is, once your content is out there, Whether it's a blog post, YouTube video, or social media post, it can continue earning you money passively for months or even years. 6. High-yield savings accounts or CDs. For those looking for a low-risk passive income stream, high-yield savings accounts or certificates of deposit, CDs, are options worth considering. These accounts offer a higher interest rate than traditional savings accounts, allowing your money to grow passively. Although the returns might not be huge compared to some of the other options we've discussed, this is a safe and easy way to earn passive income, especially for beginners who want to avoid risk. You can find high-yield savings accounts with rates between 3% and 5%, depending on the bank and the market. While it's not going to make you rich, it's a simple, no-effort way to let your money grow while keeping it liquid and accessible. Start small and be patient. Remember, passive income isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building systems and investments over time that will pay off in the long run. The best part is anyone can start whether you have $100 to invest or $1,000. The key is to choose one or two of these ideas, start small, and let time work in your favor.